In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free shipping discount code on Shopify. Whether you're looking to entice new customers or encourage repeat shoppers, offering strategic discounts can significantly boost your sales. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel, which you can access by signing into your account. Once there, you'll find yourself in the familiar My Store section. From here, navigate over to the Home tab of your Shopify dashboard, as this is your main control center where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. You want to click on the section labeled Discounts. This is your hub for managing all types of discount codes and settings. It's an essential tool if you're looking to create customized promotions to drive engagement and sales. Once you're on the discounts page, look for a button that says Create Discount and give it a click. This opens up a new window where you'll have a range of options for the type of discount you want to create. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on creating a free shipping discount. So go ahead and select that option. Free shipping can be a major incentive for customers, often reducing cart abandonment rates. Now that you're in the free shipping setup section, you'll want to pick a method for your discount. On the page, there's an option that says Method. Click on it to specify how customers will use this discount. You can set it up as a discount code that customers enter at checkout, which can add a personalized touch to your marketing campaigns. Continuing along the setup, click on Countries to determine where this discount will be applicable. This step allows you to customize your offer based on where your customers are located, which can be particularly useful if you have a diverse international customer base. After setting the geographical eligibility, move on to Eligibility. Here, you'll define who can use this discount. You might choose to offer it to all customers, specific customer groups, or only new customers. Tailoring your discount's eligibility can help target the right audience and maximize your sales strategy. Next, you'll find the Minimum Purchase Requirements option. Click on it if you want to set a minimum spend that qualifies customers for the free shipping discount. This encourages buyers to add more items to their cart, boosting your average order value. You can also define how often this discount can be used under maximum discount uses. This is a handy feature for limited-time offers or exclusive deals for your most loyal customers. Afterward, there's an option for Combinations. Decide if this free shipping discount can be used alongside other promotions. Allowing combinations can increase sales, but limiting them might preserve your profit margins. Now, set the active dates for your discount. Pick a start and end date to schedule when the offer will be available to customers. Planning around seasons or sales events can significantly enhance a campaign's effectiveness. Lastly, ensure everything is set as you want, then click Save. This final step activates your free shipping discount, making it live for your customers to enjoy. That's it! You've successfully created a free shipping discount on Shopify, ready to attract more customers and boost your store's performance. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!